Alright. Hi, everybody. Good evening. I didn't want to open that back up. Oh, shoot, I forgot. It was first day of winter. Oh, we got our mini fridge. Some wood from Robin, it looks like. Let's clean all this up. We'll figure out something to do there. I don't know what yet. Okay, all the trees are ready too. Oh, missed an apple there. Alright, let's get all this stuff away. Oh, let's clean this up too. Really? I didn't need to click on the ponds, but okay. Go right here, put all this away. Put that away. Everything else go in the other building. Oh, we got 2 and 3. Oh, it didn't go back in there, cause okay. What were we doing? Oh, we were working on the quarry yesterday. That's what it was. I was trying to figure out why we had all that in our pocket. Okay, let's go check our ancient fruit. Haven't been in this one. Oh, there's a few. Okay. Let's see. Nah, not watered. Okay, all those are watered. Let's go turn these into seeds. Alright. But we got 10 out of that. Not bad. Okay. Now we gotta take care of the animals. We need to check the status of how much hay we've got. We can also close our doors. We can open all of our gates up. Why?
Washroom.
Maybe.
No.
Just email her. Email her. I mean, keep looking. If not, I mean, was it something they did while you were out Friday?
Probably out.
Yeah, ask him. He might know. Okay. We can leave all the gates open. Oh. Excuse me, y'all. The little slimes are getting in the way. Okay. Got that done. Like I said, now we can just leave the gates open because it's winter time. Sell all this because we don't need none of this. Let's go to Ginger Island. Ooh, yes. Pineapples are done. So satisfying. And these spots are just clearing up because I don't have anything planted in them. I'm really glad that could not destroy the crop. How much longer do blueberries have? Okay, they still got another 3 days before they produce again. It's Monday. Let's see. We didn't have any quests we were doing. No. Okay. Just making sure. 50 love gifts in 1 week, or... Okay, we'll give it a try. We'll give it a try. Alright, let's go put all this pineapple away. Then we need to start pulling love gifts. That's not the right chest. Let's see, where's a good spot? It'll be out of our way. But close enough. I guess for right now, we'll just stick it by the house. Okay. Let's start with Abigail. Amethyst. Oh, I really did not need to hit all those extras. Alright, Alex. Golden Pumpkin Magic, Rock Candy. Salmon Dinner. Let's see how many we have. I have 1 of those. Okay. That's a start for him. Caroline. Do the golden pumpkins for her. I think we have a couple anyway. We have Caroline. Yeah, we'll do aquamarine. That one looks good. Demetrius. See how many strawberries we have. For the sake of this, we'll do that, because we can always get some more later. Okay, Elliot. Crab cakes, duck feathers. We might use some of our duck feathers. Let's see. Yeah, we could do that. Okay. Emily. Cloth would be a good one that we would remember as hers. Evelyn, we could do beet. We might have some we could give her. Okay. George. Might have enough leeks. Oh, no, no. Don't eat them, just put them in there. Gus, we can do oranges, because I know there's a lot of gifts. We're going to double check that, but I'm pretty sure they're on there, yeah. Haley, we could do the coconuts. That's 2, and we'll say 4. See. Okay, we got 22. So. Harvey, we should be able to do coffee, right? Okay, so there's Harvey. Let's see who else. Jazz. I don't think we have enough pink cake. We can check, though. Oh, no, we do. Okay. I didn't think we'd have enough left. I'm trying to do it enough that they're unique enough so we don't get them mixed up. What does it take? Crab cakes. Wheat and egg. We don't have any eggs. Can't do that. Okay. Why? And we have pearls. We'll just get rid of those. I'm doing that 50 love gifts for like a week, and so I'm pulling like 2 items for each person so I can just pull them out of a chest. You'll have to look it up and see if you can figure out what the movie is. Who is this? That was Kent, so that was fine.
Also, I have the cat.
Okay. Goat cheese, truffle, or wine. We don't have. We might have some wine. Hold on. Let's see. Yeah, we did make some wine. No, no, we don't want to drink the wine. Okay. Leo, I know what we can do for you, so that's not a problem. Couple mangoes for Leo. Lewis, I think we can use hot peppers, can't we? Yeah. Linus. Cactus fruit would be a good one for him. Nope, I'm going too fast. Marnie, we could finally use the diamonds, I think. Maru. Cauliflower? I wonder if we have any. Don't remember. Oh yeah, we do. That's for Maru. Okay. I promise, we'll be through the boring stuff in a minute. Use parsnips for her. I just figure it's easier if we do this, because then we can just grab it out the chest and go. Kenny will use emeralds. It is a loved, right? Yeah. His is gonna be tricky. If we've got I really don't want to give him rabbit's foot. Guess we'll do these. And that's gonna mess me up. Yeah, it's not gonna let me move them, and that's gonna be annoying. But we'll just have to remember. I didn't want to copy anything we were doing for one for the other. Goat cheese. Did we get enough this week? Maybe not, because it is still early. Oh, we have exactly 2, so perfect. Sam. See, I could use cactus fruit for him too. Maybe we'll remember. I'll use different quality. That'll put it in a different spot. Couldn't really do that with a prismatic shard, but Sandy. We can use any of our forage. Use sweet peas. Sebastian, frozen tears. I don't even know why I looked. Shane, I hate to use hot peppers again, but there's not a lot of other, I don't know if we even have magic rock candy. I keep avoiding it on everybody's. We might have put it in the food. Hold on. I have a couple. It's something different. Can't have that many people left. No. So Vincent. We can use grapes for Vincent. For Willie, we can use gold bars. Okay, so we need wrong shed. I don't need the shed at all. Well, actually, I do need the big shed because I need grapes. Grapes for him. And then for Willie, we're going to use gold bars. Okay. And the only one that we duplicated was Kent and oops. No, I don't remember who. We also don't have a second one for Alex. What does salmon dinner take? Salmon, amaranth, and kale. I don't even think we have any kale. Or amaranth. We have amaranth. Hi, Reaper. But we don't have any kale. So that doesn't work. Okay. How many's in this chest doing that? So let's see. 2, 4, 6, 8. 22, 24, 26, 28, 32, 34, 36, 38. Okay, so even if we don't do a second one for him, it's fine. I don't remember who that is. Hi, Reaper. Goodness, Reaper. Reaper! Goodness, ma'am! Was it Maru? You needed to catch up. Goodness. All right. Well, oh. Was it the prismatic shard? No, because we had the hot pepper for him. You don't hear the fireworks. Did it freeze? It disconnected just briefly when you did that. Yeah, it froze from it connected because that. Now see if you. Oh no. It's it keeps disconnecting, y'all. Why? I guess like next. I'm trying. Yeah, I don't know what happened. What I'm trying to now. End it. Yeah. Okay. I said reconnect on its own. Oh my god. Why not? I figured out why. I couldn't see. Actually, got pretty good because I screened. Okay. Why are you not? Okay. Now hit it now. Maybe. Might have them connecting back. Who knows? I'm sorry. Fireworks, ma'am. It didn't even tell me it was offline, so it confused me too. It's live, but then nope. It's got to be difficult. Okay, fine. Else can I make you reconnect? Twitch is so much easier to reconnect than TikTok is when it does this. At the end of freezing it, so or run coffee. Did you come before we disconnected? Hello. I don't know what it's doing. We're just going with it. I'll figure out yours. Hopefully, it'll show me. I think it'll show me. Hopefully. Okay. I'll have to count that part, but I got this in case I lose this. Okay. I keep trying to click it back, but it's like it's not registering that I'm clicking it back. So I don't know what it's doing. Anyway, back to regular schedule programming down here. We'll see if it connects itself. Oh, wait. Mario had to be... No. I messed this up. The cauliflower. Okay, so Mario was the What was that? Okay, let's try this again. So Maru is the cauliflower. This would be Pam. Kenny. That was wrong. That's what it was. Okay, so we still have to figure out Robin. I'll just give her the other one for now. And the wizard. The wizard. Which is gems. So let's do that one. Okay, wait. Let's fix Robin's. The wizard. And then we need something for Krobus and the dwarf. Okay, so. Krobus. I can get a diamond for him. And the dwarf. We'll do. Well, everything's wanting to act the fool today. Okay. All right, let's see if how many it counted. Okay, so that was 33. It's showing it, but it's not out. Okay. Alright, we're going to end this day. And then I'm going to hit the end the live and restart the live. Because something's fishy at this point. Because I know, uh-oh. Everything's wanting to act the fool. Okay. I'm just going to let you do your own thing. Slowly. Am I done? Okay. So, I'm going to end it really fast. And bring it right back. And maybe it'll auto-connect them both that way. I don't know what it's doing.